Ah, there's too many flying things in the air, isn't there, huh? Do we need all the birds everywhere? Every time you look in the sky, they're clogging it all up, huh? Birds, birds. Do we need crows, people? Do we need crows? Dig this, I'm laying in bed the other morning having a nice little sleep. Sunbeam comes through my window, hits me in the face. My little eyes flutter open. I'm laying in bed and all I can hear out in the garden is the merry song of every bird in the bird kingdom. It's like... And then all of a sudden... What the hell is that? What is he so pissed off at 6 in the morning? That's like going to a beautiful opera on a Saturday night. Ave Maria!
Give it up for John Doerr. How? He's